Cloud Plus is all about moving away from traditional data centers and traditional server rooms up into what they call the cloud, where you have services such as AWS or Microsoft Azure or Alibaba or Google Cloud, IBM, Oracle provide these kinds of services. Cloud is pretty cool because back in the old days, if you wanted to start a web server, let's say, you had to source so many things. You had to find a room to put it in. You had to get the right bandwidth. What server, what physical metal server are you going to stick into that room? How are you going to cool that room? What, from bandwidth to security to operating systems, all of that. Well, now with the cloud, the promise is with a Visa card or some sort of card or payment method, you can go up to any of these services and source very sophisticated AI, Internet of Things services, security services, web services in a matter of hours rather than days. But with this, it doesn't mean that we don't need IT workers anymore. It actually means we need more of them and more sophisticated IT workers who understand how to choose the right cloud options. More and more, we're seeing a hybrid cloud model, and that means two things. First, we're seeing that you don't just use AWS to give you everything, or just Azure, or just Google Cloud. You're going to choose options and have them work together. That means you need a really good cloud professional to know how that all works together. And so you can't just stampede then into just one vendor training because it sounds good or they're the dominant player. You're going to be using multiple cloud options, and you need someone who's Cloud Plus certified to understand how to work with all of those different cloud providers. The second thing is a lot of times you're working with the cloud and also installed traditional data centers. And a Cloud Plus certified person understands how to work with traditional as well as cloud options.